Welcome to Furniture Industry News for November 8th, 2024. Today we're diving into the latest developments that matter to furniture industry professionals, including retail sales forecasts, financial reports from major players, and important market trends that are shaping our industry. Despite some mixed economic signals in October, the National Retail Federation is projecting positive momentum for the upcoming holiday season. They forecast holiday sales will increase between 2.5% and 3.5% compared to last year, potentially reaching up to $989 billion for the November-December period. The outlook remains encouraging as household balance sheets are getting a boost from both a strong stock market and rising home values. Wage growth continues to outpace inflation, giving consumers more purchasing power. While October showed some contradictory economic indicators, including slower job growth, these were largely attributed to temporary factors like weather events and labor strikes. The economy is actually growing faster than many expected, with GDP showing solid increases over the past 10 quarters despite inflation and high interest rates. Consumer spending continues to provide significant momentum, and inflation has cooled to near the Federal Reserve's target rate of 2%. This combination of factors suggests retailers can expect steady growth through the holiday season. Several major furniture retailers have reported their third quarter results, painting a mixed picture of the industry's current state. Mattress Firm experienced a notable decline, with sales dropping 10.3% to $1.06 billion compared to the same period last year. Their net income also fell significantly, down to $12.7 million from $41.1 million in the previous year. In contrast, Tempur Sealy managed to buck the downward trend, posting a 1.8% increase in net sales, reaching $1.3 billion for the quarter. Their success was largely driven by strong international performance, which saw a 12.4% increase. The company's net income also improved, climbing 14.7% to reach $130 million. Arhaus and Leon's Furniture both face challenges in the current retail environment. Arhaus reported revenues of $319 million, slightly down from last year, while their net income decreased by nearly 50%. Leon's Furniture Limited Group saw a similar pattern with a modest 1.4% decrease in revenue and a roughly 30% decline in net income. These results reflect the broader challenges in the furniture retail sector, with companies navigating through cautious consumer spending and ongoing economic uncertainties. Despite these headwinds, some companies are finding ways to maintain growth through international expansion and operational efficiencies. New research reveals an encouraging trend in the furniture industry, with nearly half of all consumers expressing interest in professional design services for their homes. According to the latest Consumer Insights Now report, 48% of surveyed consumers said they would welcome design assistance for their entire home if budget wasn't a concern. The living room emerged as the most sought-after space for design help, with 24% of consumers specifically wanting assistance in this area. Kitchen and bedroom designs followed as the next most requested areas, at 15% and 12% respectively. Particularly noteworthy is the strong interest from younger generations. About 12% of Gen Z consumers and 10% of younger millennials plan to use design services this year, significantly higher than the 2% of baby boomers. This generational shift suggests a growing market for design services in the coming years. When it comes to payment preferences, 38% of consumers favor a flat project fee, while 34% prefer paying a percentage based on furniture purchased. This information provides valuable insights for furniture retailers and designers looking to structure their service offerings. Higher-income households, particularly those earning over $100,000 annually, showed stronger intention to use design services, with 8% planning to engage a designer this year compared to 5% of those in lower income brackets. Thanks for tuning in to Furniture Industry News. To stay updated with all the latest developments in the furniture industry, the shifting retail landscape, and important market trends, make sure to subscribe to our podcast. We'll be back with more insights and analysis in our next episode.